Dear student, welcome to all of you. I am Pawan Kumar Sahu, guest lecturer, PG College, Jagdalpur, Bastar. MA English, 4th semester, paper 4th, subject English language, teaching, unit 1st, phonology. Before study, I will tell you in this time. Now we are going to very difficult time. So if you have any problem, you can comment my mobile number, and if you would have teaching material, you can call me and I will provide teaching material in PDF. Dear student, let the phonology be studied. Unit 1st, phonology. Answer. What is phonology? Human organ of speech are capable of producing a very wide variety of speech sounds, but no human language makes use of all the speech sounds that human beings can produce. Each language makes a selection of speech sounds. Phonetics is that branch of linguistics which deals with the characteristics of speech sound, their pronunciation, transmissions, and receptions, receptions, and the sign to represent them in general with no particular reference to any one language. Phonology is the study of vocal sounds and sound changes, phonemes, and their variants in a particular language. Phonetics is one and the same for all languages of the world, but the phonology of one language will differ from the phonology of another. Phonetics considers speech sounds independently, whereas phonology describes the sound of a particular language. We can illustrate it. We can illustrate this point how every language makes its own selection of sounds and organizes them into characteristics patterns. French and most Indian languages have the dental plosives T, the, and D, the. But these sounds do not exist in English. The retroflex plosives T, D, tada occur in most Indian languages, but not in English, French, German, and many other European languages. French has front-rounded vowels, but English and many Indian languages have no such vowel. The voiceless bilabial plosive P occurs in many languages, but Arabic has no such sound. Besides this, the sounds that exist in a language are organized differently into various patterns in different languages. For example, S and K can came together at the beginning of a word in English. S in scale and school, but when they occur in Hindi words, a vowel is introduced before them. Similarly, several Indian languages have sounds S, P, T, B, G, and L, but do not have